All right, this is one of my very favorite parts of the Roundme system. We're going to add some sound to our panorama here. And let's go ahead and just click and drag the sound icon and wherever you would like it to be sourced from. So let's go ahead and put it right on this tree. And then we can upload a file. I have a file that I've recorded myself. Now, what's really nice about this one is that you can arrange just where the sound is coming from. That means when somebody is using the 3DR mode, then you can have them turn their head and the sound can sound like it's only coming from one area of the photo. So we have this one here. This is called the reach. And you can see this is the main area in blue here where the sound will go. You can make it very, very specific, or you can make it a little more general. So I'm going to go ahead and do right about that. Now here, you can have it repeat how many times you would like. If you want the sound to only play once, then go ahead and press once. But if you'd like it to just sort of go on forever, go ahead and keep it on loop. Now, I've already got this sound made with some, you can hear at the end there, it's got a little bit of delay. So let's go ahead and add that one. And that'll be on. Now, what's really important for this, in order for the sounds to work, you have to instruct your viewers to turn on the sound in the top left corner. Now, you can see that this is turned on now. You'll need to add a note of some kind, maybe in the beginning of your panorama tour, to do that. So let's go ahead and edit here. Please turn on the sound icon in the upper left-hand corner. There you go. Okay, so we can go ahead and do that one. And then don't forget to save. All right, so that gives people warning, and you can see that's starting to load. Now, as you turn and face that sound, you might notice it getting louder. When you turn away, it goes away. So you can go back and wait for it to play again, and it will go away then. All right? This is a really fun feature, so have a good time and explore it.